Hey guys, this is Nick here at Kunes RV. We're at our Slinger, Wisconsin location at Kunes Freedom RV, taking a look at the 2021 Jayco J-Flight 264BH. The 2021 Jayco J-Flight 264BH, this thing is meant to be Jayco's mainstream value line travel trailer. This is a 26-foot coach. This one can also be towed. It only weighs 4,600 pounds, so it can be towed with easily with a half-ton towable truck, SUV, anything with a 6,200 pound towing capacity even, we'll be able to pull this thing no problem. On a trailer like this one, this thing is ideal for the small family getting started out, a family of 4. You know, you got mom, dad, you got the 2 kids going along, or you got, you know, grandma and grandpa that want to bring their grandkids with, but they don't want a trailer that's huge and something obnoxious. This is perfect for you. Let's go around and take a look. So starting at the front of the coach here, this thing right here utilizes the power tongue jack on it. No more cranking it onto the back of the vehicle on a hot day. Got a nice loading light here for hooking all your plugs up and your safety chains. 2 20-pound LP tanks, great for working the furnace, working the water heater on this thing, and also a spot for 2 batteries on the front. Biggest thing with that right there is if you find yourself when you're not, you know, say you're dry camping, not plugged in, you're working off the land, you have plenty of ample power to keep you going. Plenty of storage on the front of this coach. Right here, this is called a pass-through storage. So as you look in, they use magnets that hold the door up, not little cheap clips. And as you walk through, everything, you can pass one side all the way through the other. Some of the biggest storage in its class. At Jayco, their motto is always bigger is better. Having the best warranty, having the biggest frames in the industry, all that stuff makes a big difference. And when you're talking about warranty, they have the best warranty in the industry. They got a 2-year front to back on everything. It's a limited bumper to bumper warranty. So that covers power converters, microwaves, everything, along with a 3-year structural warranty on this. Nobody else in the industry is doing that. So a couple things that are awesome on the J-Flight. Biggest thing we're looking at here, power awning with LED lights, no cranking it out, no having the little storm light that's on the outside. You got a nice white bright light all the way across. Coming inside your coach, huge fold and grab handle versus the little guys that you see in a lot of your other brands that are out there. Nicer stairs. These are called the MORryde Step Above Steps. The thing that are awesome about these is when you walk into the coach, these go from the ground all the way inside the trailer. So as that opens up, these just fold right in. They're stowed away. You're not worried about anything getting on them. You don't have salt, you don't have grime, you don't have road dust, you don't got any of that. And when you walk in the coach, you don't get that flexing moving from the steps just hanging on the side of the coach. So that is one of the best features on these. At Jayco, they utilize Goodyear Endurance tires. They're one of the only guys that are actually using these tires. They cost a lot more to put on, so Jayco's putting that much more care into the trailer. And also the nice skirting that they run on here, the plastic wheel skirting, along with galvanized steel wheel well. So if a tire were to ever blow out, you don't got to worry about it damaging the whole side of the coach. Another spot we have back here for more storage on the coach is going to be right behind the, right under the bunk beds in the back of this coach. So you have a spot huge for chairs, games, boards, heck, small bicycles, whatever you can fit, it'll throw in there. So as we move to the back of the coach here, a couple things you're going to see. First thing you're going to see is a full-size spare tire with a tire cover that comes with it. You got a full roof ladder, so when you're walking up on the coach, you hear Jayco utilizes the full plywood decking roof. They call it the Magnum Truss roof system. This roof can hold over 4,500 pounds. That's huge. That is checking seals, that's walking up there, any snow load. We're here in Wisconsin. Unfortunately, we did get a couple inches of snow, so you're gonna see that on here. So that's gonna be huge that way. Full LED lighting system on this. So you got LED tails, LED marker lights, and also with Jayco, they call it the smart lighting system. What smart is gonna be, it's Jayco's safety marker and reverse travel light system. So as you're going down the road, let's say you're traveling, you got your truck, you got your trailer, you go to hit your blinkers. Most of the time on any trailer, it's going to be the rear taillights of the truck and the rear taillights of the trailer blinking. When you move to this, the whole side, so you got your LED tails here, one of the marker lights like you'll see on this guy here, one of those will blink, and then all the way down the side of the coach so that the people know that, hey, I'm coming over. So that's a huge piece. And also when you're backing into your campsites, you also have reverse lighting on here. That's one of the class exclusives over here at Jayco. Also, Jayco utilizes a Furrion reverse camera prep system. So instead of having to drill in and try to do your wiring or everything, buy the mating camera, pop the cover off, plug it in, and you're good to go. This coach also utilizes a black tank flush on here. This is awesome and perfect for when you're draining out your black tank. The black tank is gonna be your toilet water. So that's one of the jobs that not a lot of people like to think about. With this guy here, you can drain everything out, open your black tank valve, hook a nice fresh water hose into here, and it uses a small check valve and a sprayer, sprays all that grime out, cleans the tank walls, everything, so you don't get any odors, any blockages or anything that way. It just keeps the coach a lot cleaner. So here we are inside the Jay-Flight, sitting right here in the kitchen area. You'll see you've got a full dinette that folds down into a bed, full couch area here for everyone to sit. Ample cabinetry storage all the way across here too. And with Jayco, it's all glued and screwed cabinetry. So everything is nice and tight. You don't get wave staples that they try to hold things so things don't fall apart going down the road. Everything is nice and solid. Double deep bowl sink that they do here. And then also, like I said, all your drawer guides. These are all going to be ball bearing drawer guides, and they're all plywood based. They're not going to be OSB or particle board or anything that way. Everything is nice and smooth. Big storage area here under the sink too. That's perfect for a garbage can. 3 burner stovetop with a glass cover over the top here. They do LED lighted knobs here that turn on and off, and you also have an oven. Not a lot of trailers in this class have ovens, guys. This is a huge plus. So now as we move back to the bunk room area, these are going to be 2 full-size bunks. Jayco's bunk capacities are over double of what the competition is. When you look at the competition's bunk beds, you see anywhere from 250 to 300 pounds. Jayco is over 600 pounds on these bunks, and they're full plywood base, so everything is a lot stronger. 4-inch thick bunk mats versus your standard 2 to 2.5. Everything's nice, and these are the teddy bear style, so everything is nice and smooth, the suede feel. They also do 2 USB outlets in the bunks. Each of them have their own lights as well, along with their own windows, and both of them open up. That's huge for cross ventilation, getting air back here, airflow, big difference. So the refrigerator in this unit is going to be an 8 cubic foot, 12 volt Norcold refrigerator. This refrigerator is a little bit newer in the RV world, but it's had a ton of praise. With the 12 volt refrigerators, they're more cooling capacity, they're much more efficient, and we can go quite a bit bigger without sacrificing anything, and they're actually quite a bit safer as well. When you're going down the road with a gas or electric fridge, a lot of people will have the gas part of it on. Now you have a small flame being emitted. It's not a good thing. That's a fire hazard, not against code. So these 12 volt refrigerators are definitely going to be the way to go. So here we are standing in the bathroom with a 264BH. We got a full tub surround shower with a full surround on it, not just your normal not just your normal wallpaper guide on here. And then also you got your full sink and everything right out here, along with ample storage underneath. So standing in the bedroom of the 264, you got a queen size bed, along with storage underneath the bed as well. That whole thing lifts up. Also for throwing extra blankets, pillows, anything you gotta have down there. Along with 2 shirt closets on each side here. Spot for a TV on the inside. It actually comes with a TV mount already that's removable, and that TV mount can actually get put outside as well. So it has both there, along with 2 110 outlets on each side. 2 lights that you'll see here as well under the top shelf. On the Jay-Flight, they don't just use a metal shade. These are going to be the nice pleated darkening shades on here. That is great for at night. No one's looking in, no one's seeing anything, or even on both sides of the bedroom as well. You know, you don't got the light coming in at early AM hours, and it helps you get a little bit better sleep and not have to worry about that. Another thing too that's great is these are all going to be tinted windows. This is a class exclusive. Nobody in this class does tinted windows. Everyone's got just clear glass going through. The tinted window makes a big difference. And the one thing too, when the trailer's sitting out, definitely helps save on the furniture as well. You don't get that sun coming in and wanting to bake into any of the material. Looking at the entertainment area of the Jay-Flight, spot for a TV to go right here. So you just got to get your own bracket, mount any TV you want to put on here, have that set up. And you also have the full radios. It's AM, FM, CD player, has a full HDMI hookup too, DVD, USB, everything. So there you have it, guys. That's taking a quick look at the 2021 Jayco Jay-Flight 264BH. If you want to see this trailer or many of our other ones in our huge inventory of travel trailers, fifth wheels, motorhomes, take a look at CunisRV.com. If you like this video and want to see more of it, please like and subscribe and take a look at the link below. Talk to you guys soon.